Some people no longer ask, am I happy? They ask, am I being seen? Everything became performance, trips, relationships, success, even generosity. But in Africa, elders say the sun never forgets a village just because it is small. You do not become valuable because strangers applaud you. Your existence already matters before the internet notice you. Subscribe for deeper reflections.